Are you planning to ship your car from the United States to Ghana? In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know, from typical shipping costs to key requirements for a smooth and efficient process. Shipping a car to Ghana can be quite expensive, ranging between $2,500 and $7,000. Factors like the shipping method, vehicle size, and route will impact the final price. But what does that breakdown look like? Here's an example of typical shipping costs for transporting a vehicle from various US locations to Ghana's major ports, like Tema. From Los Angeles, shipping your car might cost $350 for ground transport and $1,400 for ocean freight, with a total shipping time of 55 days. For Boston, it's $400 for ground, $1,200 for ocean transport, and about 45 days total. From Phoenix, shipping might cost $550 for ground transport and $1,400 for ocean freight and take about 56 days. Keep in mind that additional costs, such as import taxes and clearance fees, might apply depending on the car's specifications and the port of entry in Ghana. Ready to ship your car to Ghana? A1 Auto Transport offers a free, no-obligation quote today. Call us at 1-888-230-9116 or visit our website.